People don't know nothing from Breslev. They think Breslev there are clownies, Breslev there are funny people. So when they find out that one from the children start learning books from Breslev, they start, Machloikes, you're going to Breslev, these are not normal people. Why? Because there is in Breslev a problem. There are people thinking that these old guys, they become Breslev and they start dancing in the streets and they start singing Na Nach, Nach. This is Breslev. So this is every normal person, all normal parents don't want that our kid should be a clowny, dancing in the streets and look like these guys. But if a person learns the Rebbe's Sfurim, he sees what the Rebbe wants from us, only to connect us to Hashem. The person should live with Hashem. The person should know nobody can't harm me. No one can do something bad for me. Only Hashem is running the world. Chazal says, Ein udam noike vetzbuhe melamata, a person don't hurt his finger. Eluim kai machrizen ulav melamalo. Only if they announce this person has to get a clap. Gonna hurt his finger or something like that. A person lives with Hashem. He has faith in Hashem. He lives with Emunah. This is freedom. This is freedom.